Our book is finally here, and I'm super excited because this is all the concepts that we talk about. If you check out my YouTube channel, all the different topics and concepts that I talk about, I've packaged into one book. And in this workbook, it has the concepts, and then it also has exercises where you can go in and fill out or apply the concepts for yourself. And I've also added 5 copies of each exercise so that you can do like 5 different projects. Or if you come back to a project, you can do it a second time and see how it's evolved. So really excited to bring this to market and to make it available to the public. And it's available for free. Like the physical copy, of course, you're gonna have to purchase the kit, but the virtual PDF of this entire book is available for free. Nothing like hidden behind a paywall. You don't get a worse version because you get the virtual version. Everything in this book is going to be available for free, and I'll put it in the description. And how I want you to engage with this is to do this workbook as you go through the video course. There's a video course, and if you scan the QR code, you'll be able to access that course. And as you do the stuff, or as you watch the course, do the workbook as well. Because I go over the same concept, but sometimes I'll go over it in a different way. So in the video form, I might talk about something in a different angle, and in the workbook, I'll maybe like write it out a bit more clearly if I was a bit more vague. So they're definitely meant to be done together. So yeah, go ahead, check it out. Apply this, because knowledge without implementation is kind of just wasted time. Thanks.